Autumn is an important time to feed your garden and soil, replacing valuable nutrients taken up through summer. The soil's still warm, so the benefits are well received. These pellets are packed with compost, seaweed and nutrients that your soil and plants love, and they're so easy to apply. Spread around 100 grams per square metre all over the soil and then hose in and wash any pellets off the leaves. The water will activate the action. If you're planning on mulching, do this after applying the pellets. The fun doesn't stop there, folks. Seasol have a similar formula for lawns, with autumn an important time to feed them as well. With both formulas, you're feeding above and below ground. Genius.